Welcome to Fanyakazitv. How to add reverb in Studio One. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Here is a fast way you can add reverb effect on your track using Presonus Studio One. So let's get in. Open a new song and rename it. Press OK. Now you can drag your audio file. But let's say you want to record a new one. Create a new track by pressing this plus sign. Now you can record. Let's listen to what we have recorded. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge.
This is the dry voice.
Now we are going to put on a reverb. Here we have insert and send options, but for delay and reverb effects, better is to use send option. Now press browse. Click on effects. In the search bar, write reverb. Choose any one you want. Drag it to send option. Let's now listen to what is coming out. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. The reverb is too much. Unlock and use this mix knob to adjust. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Is size knob to adjust the room. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Mix how your room will be affected. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Adjust the dampness to make each short. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Now play with send level. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. Make it prefade so that it will not affect your track volume. Welcome to Fanyakazitv. Welcome to Fanyakazitv, the word of knowledge. That is all. Thank you for watching.